The Hunter and the Pigeons. A long time ago, there lived a huge flock of pigeons in a forest. Amongst them was a wise old pigeon. All the other pigeons respected this pigeon. Every day after searching for food and water, the pigeons would come to rest in the nest in the forest. One day, the pigeons saw many rice grains spread on the ground. They became happy and decided to fly down and eat the grains. But the old pigeon became suspicious and suggested that it could be a trap by the bird catcher. But they did not listen to him. The pigeons started eating the rice grains. Then they found that they were unable to move and were trapped in the hunter's net. However, they were not able to free themselves. They cried and asked for help from the old pigeon. He advised, "Fly up together and carry the net with you." In no time, they started flying together, with the net still stuck in their feet. The bird catcher was shocked to see this unity of pigeons. The pigeons flew to the house of a friend who was a mouse. He immediately started to bite the net with his sharp teeth and freed the pigeons. The wise pigeon chuckled, "Unity is strength." It was the act of unity that saved you all. Moral: Unity is strength.